Welcome all. What an amazing atmosphere and energy of our eager students are displaying here today. Today, all of us are going to learn more about nature, surrounded by mountains, water, forest and earth. And last but not the least, Mother Nature.
In the honor of the goal of a better future, for which we at Akshara Vaagdevi International School work towards, we have been given an opportunity to perform on the theme of climatic conditions. I would like to give you an idea of today's program.
So we have a very interesting and wonderful time now, filled with fun, learning and enjoyment. It is all about nature. Human nature itself has also helped perpetuate this design paradigm simply because we are the creatures of our nature.
you can take. Implementing climate-friendly land use. Conservation under 30 by 30 forest and land challenges goal is to achieve 30% of climate solutions by 2030 to improve agriculture and land use practices.
We are very fortunate to have nature's communication with humans, which goes beyond symbolism. This nature's form of communication is mostly a sense of knowing, of understanding, of feeling, and of inferring information. It's like a thought that comes into the mind as an emotion.
Look up. There I am. I am the sky. I am a warm, protective blanket wrapped around everyone on Earth. I can bring clouds, rain, and wind. I can be an ice storm. Without me, you'd fry. Every day, I am the breath you take in. Yet you are making me sick. I am congested, off balance, polluted. You see, I am more delicate than you think. It took millions of years to get it just right. My perfect mix of gases, temperature, and weather that you enjoy. But now your cars, your factories, and dust, they have pushed me past the limit. And you wonder why my typhoons and tornadoes are more intense, more frequent. I have become unpredictable. Less rain here, a lot more rain there. Hotter summers, colder winters. I cannot even control myself anymore. Enough about me. I will show my changing self to you in your days ahead. But in the end, I'll be fine. Give me a few thousand years. I have weathered trauma before. I am not worried for myself. Look up.
Nature doesn't need people. People needs nature.
Oh, my trees, my air, my nature, my earth. What happened? Where is my green land? Right now, I am facing terribly scarce land and thousands of years of change. If I don't take an action, the nature may collapse our civilization. Worlds people explore, time is running out. How do I create a future in which people and nature confine? Can we leave the situation around, change the world?
I live in yellow, green and gold. I'm your home, all need me. I give you comfort. I show to your family. Stick me who I am, home, sweet home. I lived within the resources provided by the nature. The foundation that keeps you steady, the wall that shelters you, the floor that supports you, the roof that protects you. I'm your home.
I am the tiger. I live in this nature. This is my world. A lot of people have the wrong idea on me. Don't forget, someone else is admiring my strength. I don't care what you think of me.
I am the earth. I have thousands of faces and colors. I am black, yellow, white, red, gold. When I get angry, I am the color of fire. Sometimes I am hard, sometimes I am fragile. In the desert, I become infinite. I kiss the sky when I become a mountain. I am a nomad, an explorer, a traveler. Sometimes I want to escape, so I become dust to dance with the winds. With human beings, I have a special relationship. Your children come to meet me for their first steps. Your elder people come to me for a long and peaceful sleep. I offer you flowers, plants, and trees with delicious fruits. I wish we could have that beautiful relationship again. I am the earth.
Nature doesn't need people. People need nature.
Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years. 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter. Or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other. Your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?
Nature doesn't need people. People needs nature.
I am the mountain. I am nature's oldest temple. My glaciers and streams provide the water you drink. My forests, your wood, your clean air. From up here, I see how you've come to treat this world. You used to recharge your body and soul in the calm of my forests. You once climbed my peaks, seeking enlightenment. Now you take what you want and contemplate only your own gain. Open your eyes while there's still time. Because there's one more thing I see clearly. The cliff you're on, and the rocks below.
Nature doesn't need people. People needs nature.
I am the forest. I am a peaceful place, a place of poetry and enchantment. I am the harmony. I am the balance. I am a home for your spirit as I open for you the doors of wonder. I am the silence. I am the noise. I am a moment of freedom. I whisper, I listen, and I dance. I play music during the day and in the middle of the night. I get dressed in the summer, undressed in winter, and I am in an endless cycle. I exist to protect you. I exist to let you breathe. I exist to clean the air. I exist to be home to the wildlife. I exist to offer you my delicious fruits. Each tree is living, a member of an impressive family that needs to be protected. Protecting me means protecting life. I am the forest.
Nature doesn't need people, but people need nature.
Hi, I'm a sparrow. My world is all the trees and nature. I fly and enjoy the round of the environment. Thank you.
The sparkle of fire is the witness of your worth. The silent flaunt of the water is the witness of your softness. The rising of the sun in the east and the sunset in the west is the witness of your rhythm. The rhythmical movement of the moon is the witness of your perfection. My words, my soul, are the witness of the oneness of glory Mother Nature, whose glorification cannot be described in words.